Hello IG Garage family. Is your car showing the P0060 error code and running inefficiently? Ignoring this issue can lead to poor fuel economy, higher emissions, and potential catalytic converter damage. In this video we'll cover what P0060 means, the exact sensor location, very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Stay tuned because fixing this now can prevent bigger engine issues later. The P0060 code stands for Heated Oxygen Sensor, HO2S, Heater Resistance, Bank 2 Sensor 2. This means that the post-catalytic converter oxygen sensor on Bank 2 has a heater circuit resistance problem. The heater inside the oxygen sensor helps it reach operating temperature faster, ensuring accurate readings for better fuel efficiency and emission control. Symptoms of P0060: check engine light on, poor fuel economy, increased emissions, rough idling or hesitation, and failing an emissions test. Common causes of P0060 include the following. First, a faulty oxygen sensor, also known as HO2S. This happens when the internal heater resistance is either too high or too low. Second, wiring or connector damage. This can be due to corrosion, shorts, or breaks in the heater circuit wiring. Third, a blown fuse or faulty relay. A blown fuse can stop the heater from working altogether. Fourth, an ECU malfunction. The engine control unit may not be delivering the correct voltage. And finally, a bad ground connection. A poor ground can increase heater circuit resistance. So, where exactly is the oxygen sensor located for P0060? First, let's talk about the Bank 2 Sensor 2 location, which is the downstream oxygen sensor. This sensor is located after the catalytic converter on Bank 2 of the engine. Bank 2 is the side opposite cylinder 1. In V6 and V8 engines, Bank 2 is typically on the passenger's side. Next, the oxygen sensor connector location. The sensor plugs into the main wiring harness near the exhaust system. Then there's the fuse and relay for the heater circuit. These are found in the underhood fuse box. You should check your vehicle's service manual for the exact fuse location, and here's a tip. Always check your car's service manual for the precise sensor location based on your engine type. First, check the oxygen sensor heater resistance. Use a multimeter to measure resistance across the heater terminals. If the resistance is out of range, replace the sensor. Next, inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for burnt, corroded, or broken wires. Repair or replace any faulty connections. Then check the fuse and relay. Locate the oxygen sensor heater fuse in the fuse box. If the relay is faulty or stuck, replace it. After that, test the voltage supply to the sensor. Use a voltmeter to check if the sensor is receiving proper voltage. If the voltage is too high or too low, the problem may be with the ECU or wiring. Finally, clear the code and test drive. After repairs, reset the P0060 code and take the car for a test drive to confirm the fix. So that's everything you need to know about P0060 HO2S heater resistance, Bank 2, Sensor 2. If you're dealing with this issue, check your oxygen sensor, wiring, fuses, and heater circuit first. For more helpful car fixes, check out these videos next. P0405 exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, sensor circuit low, and P0010 camshaft position actuator circuit, Bank 1. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.